5 animals that can regrow their bodies, but why can't we? Introduction.
Welcome to this fascinating exploration of nature's most astonishing regenerative abilities. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of 5 incredible animals that can regrow lost body parts or even regenerate entire sections of their bodies. We'll also dive into the big question, why can't humans do the same? Stick around to learn how this research is shaping the future of regenerative medicine and how it might one day help humans heal like these amazing creatures.
Part 1. What is regeneration?
Before we jump into our list of extraordinary animals, it's essential to first understand what regeneration really means. Regeneration is a fascinating biological process where organisms can replace or restore lost or damaged tissues, organs, or even entire limbs. This incredible ability serves as a survival mechanism, allowing creatures to recover from injuries, escape predators, or adapt to challenging environments. What's truly remarkable about regeneration is how diverse it is across the animal kingdom. Some species can regenerate only small portions of their bodies, while others are capable of growing back entire structures, including internal organs or even parts of their nervous systems. It's as if nature has equipped them with a built-in repair system that seems almost magical. Humans, on the other hand, possess only a limited ability to regenerate. For example, our bodies are great at healing wounds, mending broken bones, and repairing minor tissue damage. In rare cases, children under a certain age can even regrow the tips of their fingers if they are lost in an accident. However, compared to the extraordinary regenerative powers of some creatures, these abilities seem minimal. The big question is, why does regeneration vary so much between species? What makes some animals capable of regrowing entire body parts while humans are limited to basic healing? In the next sections, we'll dive deeper into the incredible creatures that excel at regeneration and explore how their abilities work, paving the way for groundbreaking scientific discoveries. Let's uncover the secrets of nature's true regenerators.
1. Axolotls, the regeneration superstars.
The axolotl, often affectionately called the Mexican walking fish, is an amphibian unlike any other when it comes to regenerative abilities. These fascinating creatures have captured the imagination of scientists and nature enthusiasts alike because of their almost magical capacity to regrow lost or damaged body parts. Axolotls can regenerate entire limbs, tails, and even complex structures like their spinal cords. What's even more remarkable is their ability to repair critical organs, such as portions of their hearts and brains, making them true champions of regeneration in the animal kingdom. How do axolotls regenerate? The secret to their incredible powers lies in their unique biology. Axolotls have specialized cells called blastema cells. When a limb is lost, these cells rapidly gather at the site of the injury, forming a structure that essentially acts as a biological blueprint for the regrowth process. Over time, the blastema cells differentiate into the necessary tissues, whether muscle, skin, or bone, perfectly reconstructing the lost body part. What's truly astounding is that the regenerated limb is so flawless, it's indistinguishable from the original, both in form and function. Why is this so impressive? Axolotls stand out not just because they can regrow body parts, but because they do so in a way that avoids scarring. In contrast, human healing is often accompanied by scar tissue, which limits function and prevents regeneration. This ability to heal without scarring is a significant focus of scientific research. If scientists can unravel the genetic and cellular mechanisms behind this process, it could lead to revolutionary breakthroughs in medicine. Imagine applying the axolotl's regenerative blueprint to human injuries, regrowing limbs for amputees, healing spinal cord injuries, or even repairing heart damage after a heart attack. The axolotl's biology offers a window into the future of regenerative medicine, and researchers are delving deep into its genome to uncover the secrets of its unparalleled abilities. The axolotl isn't just a cute amphibian, it's a symbol of nature's untapped potential and a source of hope for medical advancements that could one day change countless lives.
2. Starfish, the masters of self-repair.
Starfish, also known as sea stars, are among the most remarkable creatures in the ocean when it comes to self-repair and regeneration. These marine animals possess an almost unbelievable ability to regrow lost arms, making them a true marvel of nature. In some species, a single severed arm can even regenerate into an entirely new body, effectively creating a clone of the original starfish. This extraordinary skill not only ensures their survival in harsh marine environments, but also sets them apart as one of the most resilient creatures in the animal kingdom. How do starfish regenerate? The regenerative process in starfish is both complex and fascinating. When an arm is lost, whether due to an injury or as a defense mechanism to escape predators, starfish activate a unique healing response. They rely on specialized cells that migrate to the site of the wound. These cells work in tandem to regenerate all the necessary components of the missing arm, including muscles, skin, nerves, and even parts of the central disc if required. The process is meticulous and precise, ensuring that the regrown arm functions just as effectively as the original. Unlike humans, where healing often leads to scarring, starfish regeneration is seamless, packed with no visible marks of previous damage. Over time, the new arm fully integrates into the starfish's body, ready to aid in locomotion, feeding, or defense, just like before. Why is this so impressive? The starfish's ability to regenerate lost limbs is nothing short of astonishing. This survival strategy allows them to escape life-threatening situations by sacrificing a limb which can later regrow. Imagine being able to flee a predator by simply leaving behind a part of yourself and then effortlessly regenerating it. What's more, the fact that some species can regenerate an entire body from just one severed arm makes starfish a biological wonder. This capacity for self-replication not only helps in survival, but also in population growth. It's as if nature has equipped starfish with the ultimate backup plan for ensuring their continued existence. Scientists are deeply interested in the mechanisms behind starfish regeneration. By studying how their specialized cells communicate and work together to rebuild complex structures, researchers hope to uncover insights that could one day revolutionize regenerative medicine for humans. Starfish are not just beautiful marine animals gliding through ocean floors. They are living proof of nature's ingenuity at offering a glimpse into the extraordinary potential of regeneration in the animal kingdom.
3. Planarians, the flatworms that defy death.
Planarians, tiny flatworms that thrive in freshwater environments, are among the most fascinating creatures on Earth when it comes to regeneration. These unassuming little organisms boast one of the most extraordinary abilities in the entire animal kingdom. What makes planarians so remarkable is their almost magical capacity to regenerate their bodies. If you were to cut a planarian into several pieces, whether 2, 3, or more, each piece has the potential to regrow into a fully functional, independent worm. That means one planarian can essentially become many, making them not only survivors but also master replicators. How do planarians regenerate? The secret behind the planarians' incredible powers of regeneration lies in their biology, specifically in their abundance of pluripotent stem cells. These specialized cells are a true marvel of nature, as they have the ability to transform into any type of cell that the body needs. When a planarian is injured or divided into parts, these stem cells spring into action, migrating to the site of damage or division. Once there, the pluripotent stem cells begin the process of differentiation, turning into the specific cells required to rebuild missing structures. Whether it's skin, muscle, nerves, or even complex organs like the brain or eyes, these cells can handle it all. This means that even a tiny fragment of a planarian, no matter how small, can reconstruct the entirety of its body, including a functioning nervous system and brain. Why is this so impressive? The sheer scale of the planarian's regenerative ability is what sets them apart. Unlike most animals, whose regeneration is limited to specific tissues or body parts, planarians can regenerate their entire form. This capability is almost limitless, making them a key subject of interest for scientists and researchers studying regeneration and stem cell biology. What's even more astonishing is the precision and efficiency with which planarians carry out this process. Despite being such simple organisms, they can completely reconstruct themselves, creating a new worm that is just as functional and capable as the original. This is regeneration at its most perfect and unbounded. Researchers around the world are fascinated by planarians, as understanding how their pluripotent stem cells work could have profound implications for regenerative medicine. If scientists can uncover the mechanisms that allow planarians to regenerate so seamlessly, it could open doors to incredible medical advancements. Imagine a world where humans could regenerate lost limbs, repair damaged organs, or even regrow parts of the brain. This is the kind of future that Planarian research could help unlock. Planarians may be tiny, but their abilities are monumental. They are a testament to the boundless creativity of nature, showing us what's possible when biology pushes the limits of what seems achievable. Through them, we gain not only a deeper appreciation for the wonders of life, but also a glimpse into a future where the impossible might just become reality.
4. Salamanders, nature's tiny healers.
Salamanders, small yet extraordinary creatures, are among nature's most proficient healers. These amphibians, closely related to the famous axolotls, are celebrated for their unmatched regenerative abilities. Salamanders can regrow entire limbs, tails, and even parts of vital organs such as their hearts and lungs. This regenerative prowess has earned them a special place in the animal kingdom, making them a source of wonder and an inspiration for scientific research. What sets salamanders apart is their capacity to regenerate not just external body parts, but also internal tissues and organs that are crucial for survival. Imagine losing a part of your body, and instead of forming scars or permanent damage, your body rebuilds it as if the injury never occurred. This is precisely what salamanders do, making them a living testament to the incredible potential of biology. How do salamanders regenerate? The secret to a salamander's regenerative success lies in the way their bodies handle injuries. Salamanders rely on a combination of blastema cells and their unique immune system responses to regrow lost or damaged body parts. Blastema cells in action. When a salamander loses a limb, specialized cells called blastema cells are activated at the injury site. These cells function like biological architects, gathering at the wound and forming a structure that serves as a blueprint for regeneration. They transform into the necessary tissues, be it bone, muscle, nerves, or skin, rebuilding the lost part with remarkable precision. The role of the immune system. Unlike humans, whose immune responses often lead to inflammation and scarring, salamanders have evolved to manage inflammation in a way that fosters healing rather than hindering it. Their immune system creates an environment that supports the work of blastema cells, ensuring smooth and scar-free regeneration. This unique interplay between their cells and immune system is key to their extraordinary healing powers. Why is this so impressive? Salamanders are one of the few vertebrates with such extensive regenerative abilities, making them a natural wonder. For scientists, they represent a living model of what might one day be possible for humans. Their ability to regrow complex structures with full functionality, limbs that can move and grip, or hearts that can pump blood, shows us the heights that regeneration can achieve. What's even more impressive is that salamanders do this with minimal energy expenditure and no lasting damage. While humans often form scars that limit mobility or functionality after an injury, salamanders regenerate seamlessly, as if the injury had never happened. This capability has made them a central focus of research aimed at understanding and potentially replicating these processes in humans. By studying salamanders, scientists hope to unlock the secrets of vertebrate regeneration. The findings could lead to groundbreaking advancements in medicine, such as new treatments for spinal cord injuries, heart disease, or the loss of limbs. The potential to enhance human healing by mimicking salamander biology is an exciting prospect that could redefine how we approach recovery from injuries and diseases. Salamanders are more than just fascinating creatures. They are a beacon of hope for the future of regenerative medicine. Their small size belies their incredible capabilities, proving once again that in nature, even the tiniest creatures can teach us some of the biggest lessons.
5. Sea cucumbers, the ultimate body rebuilders.
Sea cucumbers, one of the ocean's most unique and intriguing inhabitants, have earned their place as nature's ultimate body rebuilders. These fascinating marine creatures possess a survival strategy that is nothing short of extraordinary. When threatened by predators, sea cucumbers can perform a dramatic act of self-defense. They expel their internal organs, essentially ejecting their intestines and other vital systems to distract or deter their attacker. While this might sound like a death sentence, sea cucumbers have the incredible ability to regenerate all of their lost internal parts over time, making them a true marvel of the animal kingdom. This extraordinary strategy allows sea cucumbers to continue thriving in their challenging underwater environments. Their ability to sacrifice critical internal systems and then fully rebuild them is not only a testament to their resilience, but also a brilliant example of how nature evolves extreme adaptations for survival. How do sea cucumbers regenerate? The secret to the sea cucumber's impressive rebuilding process lies in its specialized cells and unique biological mechanisms. Specialized regenerative cells. When a sea cucumber ejects its internal organs, it activates a process that involves specialized cells capable of regenerating entire systems. These cells gather at the site where the organs were expelled and begin to reconstruct the necessary structures. Over time, these cells differentiate into various tissues, such as the lining of the intestines, respiratory tubes, and muscles, essentially rebuilding everything from scratch. Step-by-step reconstruction. The regeneration process is highly organized. First, the damaged or expelled tissues are broken down and cleared away. Then, new tissues begin to form and grow in a precise sequence. The intestines and respiratory systems are often the first to regenerate, as they are critical for the sea cucumber's survival. This process is so effective that the newly formed organs function just as well as the originals. Why is this so impressive? The regenerative abilities of sea cucumbers are astonishing not only for their complexity, but also for their practicality. Unlike other animals that focus on regrowing external body parts like limbs, sea cucumbers rebuild their internal organs, a feat that is far more challenging and rare in the animal kingdom. What's truly remarkable is the dual purpose of this ability. First, it allows sea cucumbers to survive predator attacks by effectively sacrificing their organs to buy time for escape. Second, it demonstrates the incredible adaptability of their biology, as they can completely recover from such a drastic loss without any permanent damage. This ability is not just about individual survival, it reflects a larger evolutionary strategy. By being able to rebuild themselves after extreme stress or injury, sea cucumbers maintain their role in the ecosystem as nutrient recyclers and habitat stabilizers, benefiting the marine environments they inhabit. Scientific significance. Sea cucumbers are a focus of growing scientific interest because their regenerative capabilities could have significant implications for human medicine. Researchers are studying the cellular and molecular processes behind their regeneration, hoping to unlock new methods for healing damaged tissues and organs in humans. If we can understand how sea cucumbers regenerate such complex systems, it might pave the way for breakthroughs in regenerative therapies. Sea cucumbers are not just strange-looking creatures drifting along the ocean floor. They are a profound reminder of nature's ingenuity and the incredible solutions evolution can produce. Their ability to rebuild themselves from the inside out showcases the limitless potential of biological adaptations that inspiring scientists and nature lovers alike to marvel at the wonders of the natural world.
Part 2. Why can't humans regrow body parts?
Now that we've marveled at these incredible animals, let's address the big question: why can't humans regenerate like them? The answer lies in evolution, biology, and our unique physiology. 1. Complexity of human tissues. Human bodies are highly complex, and our tissues are specialized. While this specialization allows us to perform advanced functions, it also limits our regenerative capacity. 2. Scarring versus regeneration. When humans experience injuries, our bodies prioritize quick healing through scar formation. This helps prevent infection but inhibits regeneration. 3. Stem cell limitations. Unlike animals like Planarians, humans have a limited number of pluripotent stem cells in adulthood. Most of our stem cells are already specialized and cannot easily revert to a regenerative state. 4. Immune system challenges. Our immune system, while powerful, often interferes with regeneration by causing inflammation. In animals like axolotls and salamanders, the immune response is carefully regulated to promote regrowth instead.
Part 3. The future of regenerative medicine.
Although humans can't regrow limbs or organs naturally, science is pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Here are some exciting developments. Stem cell therapy. Scientists are exploring ways to use stem cells to regenerate damaged tissues such as skin, muscles, and even parts of organs. Gene editing. Technologies like CRISPR are being used to manipulate genes and potentially activate regenerative pathways in humans. Bioprinting. Advances in 3D bioprinting are paving the way for creating artificial organs and tissues for transplantation. Axolotl and salamander research. By studying the genomes and regeneration processes of these animals, researchers hope to apply their findings to human medicine.
Conclusion.
The ability to regrow lost body parts is one of nature's most fascinating phenomena. While humans don't possess these incredible powers, studying animals like axolotls, starfish, and planarians could unlock the potential for future medical breakthroughs. Perhaps one day we too might harness the power of regeneration, turning science fiction into reality. Thank you for joining us on this journey through biology's wonders. If you found this video fascinating, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible content.